If you've got construction questions, Ridgewater's here to answer them.
How do you feel about heritage houses being demolished?
We see a lot of that happening. This house is a prime example. It's not classified as heritage, but it's old and we're trying to preserve the properties that are here. This house, great foundation, great walls, and it's very sturdy. So we're taking a lot of that, incorporating it into the new design, and creating this very mid-modern century home that, you know what, will be around for another 20, 30, 40, 50 years. So recycling and being environmentally friendly is what this house is all about.
Is it worth renovating an old house?
It takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication, because you don't know what you're finding inside these walls. It's a lot more work than building brand new, but I think in the end, the reward is a lot greater and you see a better outcome. You're saving something that was old and bringing it back new again.
What's the most common thing people ask for in a kitchen renovation?
To create an open floor plan. Remove walls. In this case, we're removing a lot of walls, but to open it up so that you're not so closed off from when you've got guests and family over. So usually removing a wall or two. So when you're opening it up, you're creating more space. You put an island in, seating. Those are the most common things for kitchen renovations, modern and clean.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.